Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can unblock InDriver account. So first step you need to do is to open InDriver app. So once you open the app, you simply need to click on three bars on the top left. And once you are here you can see different options. You simply need to click on help and click on city and click on my profile and click on blocked account. So click on no, click on contact support, and the next page will be open. Okay, and here you need to type the message and send to the support like this. Hi, InDriver support, my account is blocked, kindly help me unblock my account and share your mobile number here and add your email here. And if you have any attachment you can add, and then you need to click here to send, and then the InDriver support will contact with you and help to resolve your issue. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.